Dino Stories Snottysaurus, published by Igloo Books. Sita never stopped sneezing. Her nose tickled and tingled all day long. Her thunderous sneezes made her cereal fly off her spoon and even shook all the houses on the street. Achoo! She sneezed so loudly at school that it always startled the whole class. Sorry, everyone, she sniffled. But the biggest problem with Sita's gigantic dino sneezes was lots and lots of runny, gooey, slimy. One day at playtime with her friends, Sita sneezed so much that their ball ended up covered in drippy green snot. Don't worry, I've got another ball we can use, said Sita as she ran to get it. Sita's snot ruins all our games, said Dev. I've got an idea, said Sally, and she whispered to the others. When Sita came back with a clean ball, all her friends had gone, and a glob of snot ran down her nose. Nobody wants to play with a super snotty dinosaur. Suddenly, she heard all her friends shouting, Surprise! We've made you a present! Sita opened the gift and was thrilled to see a huge, colorful hanky. Thank you. Now I can play without sneezing all over you. This is amazing! The end.